Hi guys, this is Kaya. Today I would like to introduce you this new arrival and uniquely designed simple AC machine. There are 3 pressure gauges. You can check the air conditioning system and machine tech. The advantage is safer to use. This one is a dry and wet side glass. You can check the refrigerant water situation. To replace the dry filter, more scientific. This one is the waste oil bottle. It can crack the waste oil. It is more environmental friendly. And this one is the large vacuum point oil glass. It can check the oil situation. This is the power outlet anti-off hook. It can prevent the power cable fall off and prevent damage. On the back of the machine, there are 4 hoods. It can restore the tools and power cable to make the working place more cleaner. There are 2 universal brake wheels. It can lock the machine, and it can prevent any accidental moving. And you can see the design. It is very compact. It can save the materials, package, and transportation costs. It is very environmental friendly. If you have any interest in our product, you can check our website and contact us. Have a nice day. Bye.